Hi, this is Tim. Today, we're going to take a Microsoft Word document and turn it into a website or something close to that. Stay tuned. All right, so I have a Word document open. This was an article I wrote on choice boards. Let's get innovative instead of let's get physical. Not very clever on my part, but it worked. So to transform this into a website is pretty simple. Now you just go up to File, down to Transform. Yeah, this is new. Transform, and that'll transform it into a website. All we have to do is make a choice. And there's a few different styles to choose from. I believe I looked at this before and I like the first one. And transform. Now that's why I said it's a little bit of a stretch. It's actually making it a sway. I don't want to take anything away from a sway. A sway is nice. The only thing is, a sway is just for your organization. You can go in here and edit. I can navigate. I can share it to people or groups or anyone in my organization. If I go down, it divided everything nicely. It made my graphs bigger. My tables are bigger, so I can go in and edit them if I'd like. I like the way it turned out. I think I'm going to send it in an email. I might tweet it out. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for joining me.